Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Keiko Style. In today's video, I will show you some of the most beautiful party decoration ideas that are bursting with colors, creativity and celebration. Whether you are planning a birthday, baby shower, summer party or tropical event, these stunning setups are sure to inspire your next celebration. From elegant floral backdrops and vibrant balloon gardens to tropical themes, citrus-inspired decor, beach vibes, and modern event styling, every design in this collection is unique and unforgettable. Bright shades of pink, orange, yellow, teal, blue, green, and gold come together to create eye-catching party spaces that are perfect for memorable photographs. Whether you prefer a sophisticated floral theme, a fun tropical paradise, a sunny summer celebration, or a modern balloon backdrops, these decoration ideas can easily be customized for kids' birthdays, milestone celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, anniversaries, and outdoor garden parties. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing birthday decoration ideas, balloon styling inspiration, party themes, event decor and celebration trends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video with even more beautiful party decoration inspirations.